Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Crosley Record Player is probably one of the most iconic and accessible entry points into the world of vinyl, offering a blend of retro aesthetics and modern convenience that appeals to both seasoned collectors and newcomers alike. These players are designed to bring the warm, authentic sound of analog music back into our lives, often featuring built-in speakers and Bluetooth connectivity for a versatile listening experience. Whether you're rediscovering your old vinyl collection or starting a new one, a Crosley Record Player promises a nostalgic journey with user-friendly operation. Number 5. Record Player Cartridge with Diamond Stylus Replacement. Experience superior sound quality with our high-output, durable replacement needles. The Diamond Stylus ensures a clearer, smoother stereo sound without damaging your cherished albums. These are designed to be compatible with most record players on the market. They work with popular brands like Crosley, ION, Pile, and more, offering broad usability. Replacing your old needle is a breeze. You can easily install and swap out the new needle yourself without needing any special tools or a booster. Each new needle is built to last, typically providing around 200 to 300 hours of playback. This ensures you can enjoy your music collection for a long time before needing a replacement. You'll receive 1 turntable cartridge and 4 premium replacement needles. Each needle is individually packaged in a protective case to prevent damage during transit. What we like. This is a high-quality replacement needle set. It offers excellent durability and a clear, smooth stereo sound without damaging your records. If you're looking to refresh your existing record player's sound and extend the life of your vinyl collection, this is a great choice. What people say. The Crosley Cruiser is a portable record player with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your phone or tablet. It features 3 speeds, 33, 13, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, to play all your vinyl records, and its suitcase-style design makes it easy to transport. The sound quality is decent for casual listening, and the retro aesthetic adds a nice touch to any room. Number 4. Angel's Horn Turntables Vinyl Record Player. Rediscover your favorite music with the Angel's Horn Turntables. This record player is designed to bring you the purest vinyl listening experience. Its precision-manufactured iron platter ensures perfect stability and uniform speed. This results in a more perfect and high-quality sound. Enjoy your vinyl collection at either 33, 13 or 45 revolutions per minute. Select the speed that perfectly matches your record for an authentic sound. Connect it to any amplifier with its built-in phono preamp. It offers both phono and line outputs for flexible playback options. The adjustable counterweight and anti-skating features ensure precise stylus control. This maintains clarity, avoids distortion, and protects your records. It comes with a high-quality at 3600L cartridge for beautiful melody interpretation. You can also easily change cartridges with the universal head shell. What we like. This turntable boasts a precision-engineered iron platter for exceptional stability and sound quality. With an adjustable counterweight and built-in phono preamp, it ensures optimal stylus tracking and versatile playback options. If you're a vinyl enthusiast seeking a pure, high-fidelity listening experience with the flexibility to connect to any system, this is the one for you. What people say. The Crosley Record Player has a built-in Bluetooth receiver, allowing you to stream music from your smartphone or tablet wirelessly. It features 3 speeds, 33, 13, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, to play any vinyl record in your collection. The integrated speakers deliver clear sound, and there's also an RCA output to connect to external speakers for a more powerful audio experience. Number 3. Crosley Everett Media Console Record Player Stand. Embrace the classic appeal of mid-century design with its rich mahogany finish and elegant tapered legs. This piece brings timeless style to any room. Designed for vinyl enthusiasts, it offers dedicated space for your turntable and ample storage for up to 75 albums. Keep your cherished collection organized and accessible. Discover smart storage with adjustable shelves behind sliding doors, perfect for organizing your media. A pre-cut cable hole keeps your wires neatly managed. Genuine metal hardware in a beautiful brushed gold finish adds a touch of sophisticated style and practical function to its design. This console effortlessly complements various home decor styles, including modern, farmhouse, and rustic. It's a versatile addition to any living space. Proudly designed in the USA, this piece reflects over 100 years of Crosley's commitment to quality and style. Enjoy American-based customer support. What we like. This media console combines timeless mid-century modern aesthetics with practical storage for your vinyl collection. It features dedicated space for a turntable and lower cabinet storage for up to 75 albums, complete with adjustable shelves and cable management. If you're a collector who values both style and organization for your records and audio equipment, this console is an ideal fit. What people say. The Crosley Record Player has a built-in Bluetooth receiver, allowing you to stream music from your smartphone or tablet wirelessly. It features 3 speeds, 33, 13, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, to play all your vinyl records, and the adjustable tone arm with a ceramic cartridge ensures accurate sound reproduction. The retro design of the Crosley Record Player is a standout feature, with its vintage aesthetic that can complement various home decor styles. Number 2. Crosley CR704B PA Musician 8-in-1 Record Player. Experience music in every way imaginable with this versatile 8-in-1 music player. It offers multiple ways to enjoy your favorite tunes, from vinyl records to modern digital formats. Rediscover your cherished vinyl collection with its 3-speed turntable. It effortlessly plays all your records, bringing a classic listening experience to your home. Easily stream your favorite playlists from any Bluetooth-enabled device. Connect wirelessly and enjoy your music through its powerful built-in stereo speakers. Immerse yourself in dynamic, full-range stereo sound. It also features an AUX input for other devices and a headphone jack for personal listening sessions. This device beautifully blends vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Designed in the USA, it brings a touch of classic style and modern convenience to your space. Get your music going in minutes with its simple setup. Enjoy the best of both worlds, nostalgic vinyl sound and contemporary features, right out of the box. What we like. This all-in-one music player offers incredible versatility, combining a 3-speed turntable with AM/FM radio, CD player, and cassette player. It also features Bluetooth connectivity for streaming from modern devices. If you love the convenience of having multiple music sources in one stylish, retro-inspired unit, this is perfect for you. What people say. The Crosley Cruiser is a portable record player with built-in speakers, allowing you to listen to your vinyl collection anywhere. It features 3 speeds, 33, 13, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, to accommodate all types of records. The design is retro-inspired, reminiscent of a vintage suitcase, making it a stylish addition to any room. Number 1. Crosley S108 BK Stereo-Powered Bluetooth Speakers, Black. Introducing the Crosley S108 BK, a pair of powerful 2.0 powered active speakers. They easily connect to any Bluetooth-enabled device, bringing your music to life. Experience incredible sound quality with these speakers. Each unit features a 4-inch woofer and a 1-inch soft dome tweeter, delivering a rich and detailed audio performance. With a wide frequency response from 40 Hz to 20 kHz, you won't miss a single beat. Enjoy every nuance of your favorite tracks with stunning clarity. Connect your external devices with ease using the 2 AUX inputs. These speakers offer flexible options to suit your audio setup. Inspired by a century of innovation, these speakers blend classic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. They are proudly designed in the USA, ensuring quality and support. What we like. These powered stereo speakers deliver impressive sound with 4 woofers and 1 tweeters, producing a rich audio experience. With Bluetooth connectivity and AUX inputs, they offer flexible ways to enjoy your music. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful audio solution that pairs seamlessly with a Bluetooth-enabled record player or any other device, these speakers are an excellent choice. What people say. The Crosley Record Player has a built-in Bluetooth receiver, allowing you to stream music from your phone or tablet wirelessly. It features a classic retro design that looks great in any room, with a wooden cabinet and a hinged dust cover. The player comes with a built-in speaker, so you can listen to your records right out of the box without needing external speakers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.